4 years before, a resolution was made in Lahore that the Muslims of India have to have another homeland to practice Islam in its true form. This was done under the guidance of Muslim League at that time, under Muhammad Ali Jinnah Marhum. And Allah gave us this trophy on 27th of Ramadan that Pakistan was created. So we have to pray and be faithful to the country, be honest and look after, because the freedom is, there's no choice apart from freedom. If you don't have freedom to live, there's no existence. So I'll ask you, and thank you very much, Mrs. Khan, and for arranging this thing, and thank you very much for you all to be here. All I would say is, as a national song sort of said, there is parcham ke tale hum sab ek hain. So please join me. Is parcham ke tale hum sab ek hain. Thank you. Allahu Akbar.
आज 23rd of March है और हम सब पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स यहाँ पे AICS में इकट्ठे हुए हैं to celebrate the Pakistan Day, and we are very happy that we got our independent country. The Pakistan resolution was passed on this day, and it was a dream that was really looked forward to, and it came true, and we got our separate country, and we are very happy that we have all the freedom to practice our religion, to practice the cultural beliefs, and everything that we do in our country is really so great. Let's all make a promise that we look after our country and we take care of this country. Thank you.